Yeah.
Hey everybody, it's review time, and today I'm going to be reviewing this Puppetswar superhero landing striker miniature. Puppetswar have some amazing miniatures. Their striker lineup is an awesome proxy to Space Marines. I'm most drawn to this mini because of my favorite Stormcast Eternal Garda Steel Cell and his new model. This one is just a more futuristic version of that, which I'm very happy with. I really like the look of this armor and the aesthetic they're going for, the more angled and squared appearance, which will make it very easy to do edge highlighting with. When you get this STL, you'll be able to build this mini with 3 head options only. One knight helmet, a very cool Space Marine helmet, and a bare-headed one. The bare-headed one was the one I used, which was my favorite. The knight helmet was my least favorite, but it still looks cool if you're into that aesthetic. If I were to build a full force of these guys, I would definitely be using the Space Marine helmet, which is very cool. The model printed out beautifully. The supports were very easy to remove. Even this very fragile looking cape came out without any issues. I have a painting tutorial that will accompany this review, so keep an eye out for that. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll leave links to Puppetswar's Patreon and my mini factory in the description below. Please like and subscribe, and if there's anything you would like to see, please comment below, and I will see you in my next video.